The next new feature concerns plants first of all, and it is called Drop and Drop. This tool will help us to quickly and easily furnish a surface with plants. First, I need to make a selection of the plants I wish to use. Therefore, I go to my catalog, open the Plants category from where I'll select some smaller bushes like these. With a right click, I'll add them to the selection. At this moment, the selected plants will be added to this special category of selections. I make a right click again on the categories icon and choose Selection. Now we can see the selected plants. You can make any selection of cars, people, any object category in fact, and add them here. Such a selection can be very useful in case of materials as well. A temporary collection of shaders you wish to use in your project can also be displayed here. This is the first part, the possibility of making different temporary selections of your media. Now for the drop and drop function. It can be activated with this little hand icon at the bottom. Now in the moment you click somewhere in the preview, it will randomly select an item from a previously made selection and place it. You can continue to click anywhere in fact. Artlantis will add a plant each time to your scene and help you fill an area very easily. Artlantis will not only randomize the choice of objects, but it will also rotate them a bit, apply a symmetry to them, or change their size. Therefore, you'll avoid any repetition effect and make a credible distribution of plants you've previously chosen. If I clear the selection now with a right click, I choose the Delete from Selection command because I would like to make another one of the shaders. But before doing that, I'll get closer to this building here. Back to the catalog, I'll make a selection of shaders because the drop and drop function also works for materials. I'll select brick shaders like these three finishings. Each is made of brick, but each contains items of a different size and color. With a right click, I'll add them to a new selection and go to search them in the selection category. Now, with the drop and drop function already activated, each time I click on the surface, I will apply a different shader from my selection. This way I can make a very quick test of a set of shaders, for example, and see how each would look in my scene. This is how the drop and drop function works in Artlantis 6.